Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic State Executive and State Legislature. First question: who among the following can remove the governor of a state from office? Option A: Legislative Assembly. Option B: Parliament. Option C: President. Option D: Supreme Court. Answer: Option C: President. Second question: for removal of a governor from office, the President seeks advice from Option A: Council of Ministers. Option B: Supreme Court. Option C: Chief Minister of the concerned state. Option D: none of them. Answer: Option D: none of them. Third question: the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the states are submitted to which among the following? Option A: the President. Option B: the Governor. Option C: the Parliament. Option D: the Chief Minister. Answer: Option B: the Governor. Fourth question: what is the limit of election expense in a parliamentary constituency? Option A: 10 lakhs. Option B: 25 lakhs. Option C: 70 lakhs. Option D: 1 crore. Answer: Option C: 70 lakhs. Fifth question: which article of the Indian Constitution provides for governor? Option A: Article 152. Option B: Article 153. Option C: Article 154. Option D: Article 156. Answer: Option B: Article 153. Sixth question: who called the governor of a state as federal fireman? Option A: K.T. Shah. Option B: B.R. Ambedkar. Option C: Rajagopalachari. Option D: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer: Option C: Rajagopalachari. Seventh question: which of the following articles says that the executive power of the state is vested in the governor? Option A: Article 152. Option B: Article 153. Option C: Article 154. Option D: Article 155. Answer: Option C: Article 154. Eighth question: the Constitution of India does not provide for impeachment of which of the following? Option A: Chief Justice of India. Option B: President of India. Option C: Vice President of India. Option D: Governor of an Indian state. Answer: Option D: Governor of an Indian state. Ninth question: which of the following is or are qualifications to be appointed as governor of a state? First point: should be citizen of India. Second point: should not be resident of the state of which he works as governor. Third point: should have completed age of 35 years. Select the correct option from the quotes given below. Option A: only first and second point. Option B: only first and third point. Option C: only first point. Option D: 1, 2 and 3. Answer: Option B: only first and third point. 10th question: What can be the maximum number of members in a legislative assembly of a state in India? Option B 400, option B 500, option C 550, option D 450. Answer option B 500. 11th question. Who is the chief executive head of the state? Option A Chief Minister, option B Governor, option C President, option D none of the above. Answer option B Governor. 12th question. Which among the following state does not have a bicameral legislature? Option A Maharashtra, option B Bihar, option C West Bengal, option D Andhra Pradesh. Answer option C West Bengal. 13th question. In which year the Metropolitan Council of Delhi was replaced by a 70-member legislative assembly? Option A 1990, option B 1991, option C 1992, option D 1993. Answer option C 1992. 14th question. The power to create or abolish legislative council in state is vested with which among the following? Option A Council of State Ministers, option B Governor of the state, option C Legislative Assembly of the state, option D President of India. Answer option C Legislative Assembly of the state. 15th question. When a chief minister of outgoing minority government advises the governor to dissolve the legislative assembly, the governor has to option A dismiss the assembly, option B suspend the assembly, option C ask the resident to impose president's rule, option D work on our own discretion. Answer option D work on own discretion. 16th question. Which among the following decides that there should be a legislative council in the state or not? Option A President, option B Governor, option C Legislative Assembly, option D Chief Minister. Answer option C Legislative Assembly. 17th question. As per the Government of India Act 1919, the life of the Council of the State and Legislative Assembly were as follows. Option A 5 years and 3 years, option B 3 years, 5 years, option C 5 years and 5 years, option D 3 years and 3 years. Answer option A 5 years and 3 years. 18th question. Which of the following Indian states have a bicameral legislature? First point Uttar Pradesh, second point Bihar, third point Chhattisgarh. Option A first and second point, option B second and third point, option C first and second and third point, option D none of the above. Answer option A first and second point. 19th question. Which of the following is a part of the electoral college for the election of the president but does not participate in the proceedings for his impeachment? Answer Options: Option A Lok Sabha, Option B Rajya Sabha, Option C State Legislative Assemblies, Option D State Legislative Councils. Answer: Option C State Legislative Assemblies. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.